If you're feeling the squeeze of modern life, constantly chasing deadlines and battling digital fatigue, this one's for you. Many of us are searching for an anchor, a way to reclaim focus and calm in an increasingly chaotic world. Today, we are exploring a surprising yet ancient practice that offers a powerful antidote to modern stress. This isn't a sewing tutorial. There are no steps to rush through, no deadlines waiting on the other side. This is a pause, a quiet place where your hands can move without needing to produce anything. Imagine turning a simple pile of fabric into an antidote for stress, not by making something perfect, but by making peace. Today, we are not sewing to finish, we are sewing to feel. Before the machine turns on, before the pattern is unfolded, there's a moment we usually skip. But this moment matters. Forget meditation apps for a moment. Imagine the rhythmic hum of a sewing machine as your new mantra. Discover how the deliberate act of cutting fabric, choosing threads, and assembling pieces grounds you in the present moment. You learn how this tactile engagement has proven to actively reduce cortisol levels, bringing a tangible sense of peace. Spend the first 5 minutes of any sewing session focusing on sensory input. Feel the texture of the fabric, the smell of the iron, the visual concentration of threading the needle, and the sound of it hitting the board. Lay the fabric down slowly. Feel its weight, its softness, its temperature in your hands. Thread the needle. Notice how your eyes focus, how the world narrows to one small, simple task. The rhythm of breath returning to normal. For 5 minutes, do nothing else. No planning, no correcting, no judging. Just this. When life feels loud, let the stitch be quiet. Wisdom doesn't need to rush, and the most meaningful work often happens quietly, long before anything is finished. Today, the process is the purpose. The magic isn't just in the process. It's in the profound satisfaction of turning raw material into something beautiful and functional. And you'll see how completing even a small project cultivates a powerful sense of accomplishment and boosts your self-esteem. Besides, you can gain back a sense of control in a world that often feels out of your hands, one stitch at a time. So where do you start? Instead of asking, what should I make? Try asking, what do I need? If your world feels chaotic, choose something with structure. Straight seams, clean lines, a simple hem, order can be calming. If your mind feels tired, choose repetition. Gathering, pressing, winding bobbins. No decisions required. If your heart needs encouragement, make something small, a quick win, a reminder that you still can begin and still complete. This past year asked a lot of us. So pause here. Ask gently, what did this year teach me about myself? And what am I needing right now? Let your next project answer that question. Not the algorithm, not the trend, not the pressure to keep up. Sewing can be more than a hobby. It can be a conversation with yourself. Now, let's make something that doesn't belong to anyone else. Not a gift, not something to sell, not something to explain. Something you are allowed to keep. A small shape, soft fabric filled with rice, beans, or lavender. Let the weight rest in your hands. Let the warmth settle. This object isn't meant to impress. It's meant to comfort. Every stitch says, I took time for myself. Every seam holds proof that you showed up, even quietly. When the day feels heavy, this is something you can hold. If all you did today was sit quietly with your fabric, that was enough. You don't have to finish. You don't have to share. You don't have to be productive. You are allowed to rest inside the making. Come back to this space whenever your hands need grounding and your mind needs gentleness. I'll be right here. Thanks for being here. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY sewing projects, crafting tutorials, and the occasional creative pivot.